Here's how a one-person team can create endless ads in 5 minutes. So I'm going to start... Oh, where are my manners? I'm Caleb, and I'm the creator of Chase Agents. This is the platform you're looking at. And what I'm going to show is the ability to create endless ads, as many as you want. So I'm going to start with this stock image I have of some headphones. And I guess I didn't drop that correctly. Like, it's the demo gods, man. Like, there we go. We've dropped it correctly now. And what I want to say is I want to create an ad of somebody wearing these headphones. So maybe let's start with generating an image of somebody wearing these headphones, like a model wearing these headphones, and then we want to generate an ad where the person is maybe walking around and I don't know, just doing some cool stuff. They just make this feel futuristic, make it feel cool. It doesn't have to be long, but it has to speak to the business, and you'll figure out what that means. So now that I've spoken what exactly was on my mind, I'm just freestyling here. It's transcribed what I've just said, and it's sending it as the initial prompt to the LLM. So while this is running, I actually want to give a little bit of insight about what exactly is powering this. So obviously I mentioned I'm the creator of Chase Agents, so that's the underlying platform that's powering this. We can see there is a model that is performing some reasoning here. The image generation and video generation capabilities are being powered by an API called Key API. So in order for this to run correctly, you do need access to the Key API, and I will provide a link to that. Or when I share the link to this, it's gonna automatically prompt you for it, and you'll be able to provide it. But what we can see is that the model has created a to-do list, and now after it's gonna start doing the things on the to-do list one by one until all of the tasks are done. So the first task is to generate an image of a model wearing the headphones, and now that task is in progress. And at any time you can see the specific task it's on the right. I just realized I was pointing with my hand while it wasn't there. It's made a call to Nano Imagen, which is successful, and we can see the calls that it makes, the responses that it gets, and now it's waiting for the task to complete, because the way this API works is that it doesn't immediately return a result. So the model has the capability to wait, so it has a sense of time, so to say. So we're waiting for it, and waiting for it, and waiting for it. And I suppose that I should pause this because I don't know, I'm on Loom free. I wonder if it's going to be done in exactly 5 minutes, but actually that's going to be a challenge. Let's see if we can get it done in exactly 5 minutes. So it's checked, and we can see in the results, it looks like we do have the result URLs ready. So now it should mark something off on the to-do list, as it just has done. Thank you. And now we're going to move on to the next task. So it's going to be generating a video ad with the model. Yep, so that task has now begun, generating a video ad with the model. Okay, so it's successfully created the video generation. We have 1 minute and 20 seconds left until the end of this video. Am I gonna stick to creating an ad in 5 minutes? But anyway, while this is waiting, I want to talk a bit more about the possibilities of this, because I have to fill the time. It's not just video generation that you can do in this. You can actually connect Chase Agents to any API you want, any MCP you want. Well, many MCPs, not any MCP, many MCPs. And here I've just connected it to ad generation, but you can use it for content generation. You can even use it for analysis of big databases and things like that. So it's a platform that's quite difficult to explain because it's an anything platform, but you can basically connect AI to anything and automate tasks. So what I'm automating here is video generation. So typically people would generate an image or generate a video and then do them one by one or something like that. But here we see that I'm able to generate, like, the whole workflow can be automated at one time. Like, it can be automated at one time. The video is still generating. Oh my goodness. I have 15 seconds left. Okay, I'm going to pause this. 15 seconds left. We're not going to have enough time. Sorry, guys. We failed with the 5 minute thing. Let's shift it to 5:30. No, my loop time ran out. My loop time ran out. Okay, my loop time ran out, but the video was successfully generated. I guess you can see that the timestamps look less than a minute ago. This is less than a minute ago. You can see the times that this was the wait where we did like video still generating, and it made another call after, and the video is successfully generated, right? And here's the final video. So let's actually like click on the video and watch it. I guess you won't be able to see the sound. You won't be able to hear the sound because I'm what am I doing? Like because when my microphone is connected. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna do a cut to the video. You don't get to decide, okay? And so to wrap it up, you can see that we went from having an image of headphones that was, on my local computer to asking an LLM to do it and having it go through the entire workflow without my input and providing me with a final video URL. There's, again, like I said, so many more things you can do. Some pro tips on doing this. I don't recommend doing it with an AI model that is unable to see images. For example, you can see here I'm using Gemini 2.5 Pro, but there's so many more models I could use. But any model that accepts images is fine. The better the model, the better the output. It's better at generating prompts. It's better at interacting with APIs, all these kinds of things. I want to thank everyone for watching. chaseagents.com, like, comment, share. I will be sharing the link to this, and comment if you would like it sent directly to you. Thanks.